If you love entertaining or simply want to lift the mood and decor of your outdoor space, then we've got just the type of product to brighten your world. Introducing Hoselink's extensive range of solar garden lights, perfect for enhancing the atmosphere, appearance and safety of your home and garden. Featuring different sized wall lights, spotlights, path lights and fairy lights, you'll be sure to find the right addition for your space. Our wall lights are perfect for illuminating your patio area, garage or fencing, and double up as a security measure around your property. What about spotlights? They're ideal for brightening your trees and garden features or bringing out the beauty of your flower beds. Don't forget your walkways, driveways and entrances. These path lights will dramatically improve your landscape decor and improve safety around your stairs and uneven surfaces at night. Or maybe you're just after that extra spark for your outdoor entertaining and decorating. Our fairy lights could do the trick, best displayed along trees and plants or throughout your deck. Hoselink solar lights are durable, waterproof and built with high-quality lithium-ion batteries that can power your lights in the evening or for the entire night, depending on the hours of light they get. Not only are they versatile, but you don't even need an electrician to install them to create that professional look. And because they recharge purely from daylight, you can brighten your home and garden for hours without worrying about an increased electricity bill. Not only that, but you'll also be lending a helping hand to the environment. It's the best of both worlds for your home and the planet. So, what are you waiting for? Shop Hoselink's incredible range of solar garden lights and see what they can do for your home. Let there be light.